Good morning. I think it's about 10:30ish or so. I have already had my tacos for breakfast, and I came to the Lake Manawa, and I have found the perfect place to have peace and quiet, serenity, and get some exercise. Look at this. So Lake Manawa is a very small lake, and the Missouri River feeds into it. Okay. So the Missouri River feeds off into this lake, and I've seen a ton of people out here fishing. People fishing everywhere, off the bank in their boats, just enjoying themselves. There's a huge playground over there for children, and I think this guy's probably come to get some exercise, or lady, I don't know what that is, but anyway. There's some people right here, I think. Or is that a dog? I don't know if that's a person or a dog. I don't have my glasses on. I'm gonna get some exercise though. Oh, look, there's some like red robins or something right here. Anyway, so the Missouri River feeds off into this lake, and the Missouri River is the state line, state border between Iowa and Nebraska. You know, I should really start bringing a fishing pole and some tackle out here. I'm not even gonna lie, man. They got a beach right there, but it's closed off. But there's a beach right there for people to get together. So I cannot decide. Oh, those are people with their dog. So I cannot decide. Look at these trees. I cannot decide if I'm gonna work out in the grass or on the pavement over there. So I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know. This grass is really beautiful. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I've decided that right here is as good as any, and the first order of business is going to be hitting that thin X with Chris Harrier ab workout, burn that belly fat, get that heart rate up. That's what I'm gonna do first, and you guys should do it too. And then we'll get on to other things, you know, like maybe some jogging, maybe some weightlifting, maybe some push-ups. Those aren't even maybes, those are guarantees. All right.
You can do this anywhere, so there are absolutely no excuses. So let's go and do this together, guys. Are you ready? First exercise is gonna be high knee taps. We're gonna go for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's go for it.
Korean music.
So legs up, keep those legs straight, touch one side, touch the other side. Keep that core tight, regulate that breathing. Don't give up, guys, we're just getting started. Pace yourself. If you can go fast, challenge yourself, go for it. If you can only go slow, take it easy, chill. Eventually you're gonna get a lot better at this. All the way down, and you wanna come about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Keep those legs straight. All right, here we go, guys. This move, form is everything. Legs straight out, tight, tight together. You're gonna bring them in, and you'll bring your body up. Back down, straight out. Let's go for it. Form is everything on this one, guys. Legs straight, core tight from this position. One leg up, one leg down. So this is an excellent move for tightening that core, strengthening that core, and also burning that fat. Come back down, other one up, and come back down. Let's go for it. In this position, you want to keep your legs up. That way you're automatically engaging that core. Then we're gonna put our hands, let's start with one side first. Activate that core. Keep that core tight. Keep these feet up. If you're doing this with me, hang in there. We're almost there. Regulate that breathing. All right, so the next one we're gonna go for is seated in and out. Another different angle. We're gonna go straight out, keep that core tense, and bring it right back in. All right, guys, let's go for it. Make sure to go all the way out, all the way in. Form is everything, especially if there's a lot of beginners watching this right now. You want to start with perfect form, because you're going to grow off of perfect form. You start with sloppy form. Here we go. So this is the last exercise.
Yeah, I do the most, that's why you mad. Yeah, I do the most, that's why you mad. M's on top of M's, I'm getting bags.
All right, burpees is one of those exercises that's really gonna work your heart rate. It's really gonna get your blood pumping. It's gonna get that cardio right, work them lungs really good. It's gonna help you drop weight fast. And it's gonna build your endurance up fast. So typically what I like to do is 10 sets of 10, and that means 100. And there was a time where I used to be able to do 10 sets of 10 in less than 15 minutes. Not today. Today, it would take me about 20 minutes, but it's still good that you can even do that. So if you guys really want to get into it, master burpees. And then you can do modified burpees. The modified burpee is when you just seen what I did. You go down, do your push-up, but then you bring your right knee up or your left knee, do a push-up, bring your other knee up to your chest, do a push-up, and then jump up. That's one. So if you can do 10 of those, you're in good shape. You know what I'm saying? I mean, consistently, not just 10 and then just no more. If you can do like even 5 sets of 10 like that, it's good stuff. I used to do about 8 of those. Actually, I used to be able to do 10 sets of 10 just like that. Them days are gone. But maybe I'll get them back.
You know how I get it. I know some hard lives. I can speak that word and talk that word. I leave this garden pill. I got silence on that cement. Bust your head for real. Give me head and then I flip up. Get that dick for real. Ballin', my niggas ballin'. Niggas be talking and I catch them walking. I do this often. That nigga be kicking. I got kisses split that and I got THC is liquid. If I point them youngins hit it. I got bitches throwing up Billy. Blood. I got problems with it. I put it on the design.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I'm pretty gassed. We started off with the Chris Heria Thin-X ab workout, and then that got a good burn in the midsection, and then we moved on to sit-ups and burpees. And burpees by themselves, if you're not used to them, they'll wear your ass out real fast. So I did, I don't know, several sets of those, and then I just went to like the weight training, just the push-ups, the curls, the military presses, some more sit-ups, and like, I don't even know what you call these, but you saw it when I lay down. Take the weight over my head and bring them to my chest and back down. So yeah, but this is a very beautiful area. I'm glad that I found this spot today. I wish I could go fishing. I could, I guess, if I went and bought a pole and some tackle, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and have lunch with my tacos, take a shower, 100% do that, right? Fold some laundry, and just probably go to sleep. As a matter of fact, that's what I need to do. I need to go to sleep because I head out tonight at midnight, going to Dallas. So that's gonna do it. I hope you guys get some balls and get out here and work out. Geese out. Gotta give me